So this is the EMEET speakerphone, and all the audio you are hearing me speak is coming from the mic on this. It does come with an accessory mic that you can plug into this. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the table now. So I've been really happy with this speakerphone. Let me go ahead and show you what you get out of the box and then show you what it's like in an actual office environment. Here is the speakerphone. It's packaged really well. So it comes with this main unit here. This is the main speakerphone and mic, and then it also has this alien mic or extended mic, whatever you want to call it. So they've thought of a lot of really cool and nice things with this speaker. You'll notice underneath they have a slot for your USB dongle, so you can just plug that into your computer and instantly connect. The cord for this is stowed away underneath, so it's easy to make it look nice. And this is a fairly long cord. This is about 4 feet long. It also has this screw if you want to mount it onto a tripod. So if you're like interviewing someone or something, you could just put that there and have the mic right there. Let's go ahead and put the cord back in. Nice how easy and convenient that is to do. And of course, it's always going to come back just perfectly. That's really slick. The in is where you can plug in the external mic. This is for daisy chaining, and then you've got your USB-C. So for the buttons, you've got your power button, and when you press and hold, it will have these LEDs that light up to indicate that it is on. Then you've got your mute button. These LEDs turn red to indicate that you are muted. You've got your Bluetooth plus, minus. These are for volume. You can do single tap for small increments or press and hold to increase or decrease more quickly. This answers and ends calls, and then it also has a button for noise cancellation. Now, I really appreciate that it actually has a button for this. There are times that I just simply do not want noise cancellation. I like that this provides the option. So if you plug this into the in link here, then you can see you can actually control the mute with this external microphone. Really slick how that works. So I haven't even touched Bluetooth yet, but you can see I already see the EMEET Office Core Luna Plus. So let's go ahead and pair with this device. If I want to pair. Now we are connected. I'm going to go ahead and unmute. All right, we'll listen to some YouTube copyright-free music. So you can see as I press these buttons, so the volume plus and minus, they do not control going to next and previous track. It is all volume. Goodbye. I'm in an office, and a pretty loud office, so that we can test the mic on this EMEET speakerphone. I've got an echo in my voice. This is the kind of speakerphone that you would want to use. You got a lot of people talking around, you've got background noise. You can see I'm at the very end of the table. I've got the speakerphone in the middle of the room, and so you get a lot more echo because I'm further away from it. And so if I'm in a conference call with other people, I'm going to be away from the speakerphone, but that's where this device comes into play. So I can extend the microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. And you can see how long the cord is, and you can see that now that I have it right in front of me and right next to me, you can hear what a difference the audio makes. Another cool thing about this is if I want to mute myself, I can and then press it again to unmute. So it's really nice that you've got this extra mic that you can pass around if you need to, or you can just have at two ends of the table so it picks up everyone around the table. This is long enough that we can position both mics so that it's in an optimal location. I do want to point out that this was sent to me so I could do this video review. I've used a lot of different speakerphones. I do IT for a living, so I'm in conference rooms a lot testing out audio, and I've been really happy with this. Right now, I don't have the noise cancellation turned on, but let me go ahead and turn that on for you so you can hear what it's like. So I've got noise suppression or noise cancellation turned on right now. I'm going to turn on my electric razor. I don't know if you can hear anything on at all right now, but this is on, this is going, and I'm talking over it. So I'm going to turn this off now. So that's off. Let's turn off the noise suppression. Okay, I'm going to turn on the electric razor again. and now I'm talking over the electric razor. That's the kind of difference that the noise suppression makes with this. Overall, I've been very happy with this. This is great in an office environment, especially when you have long tables or people all the way around the table and you need some way to extend the capabilities. Works really, really well.